What is going on? It's Ron with the Handy, the Tradesman Service and Solutions. And what is that in the middle of the floor or middle of the street? Is this my brother's? It's a nice sweater. Anyways, we're gonna do lawns today. We're gonna do nothing but lawns today. And a few handyman, just one handyman job at one of my lawn clients' house. Loaded up with the lawn equipment. Got the lawnmower, got the leaf blower right there, got the weed whacker, got a shovel, got a rake, and a hard shovel, and some gas, just in case. I got 2 lawns for sure. Might make it 3. I'm gonna see this if this one client wants their lawn mowed. I haven't done it for like a few months because their grass grows slow, and I haven't been keeping in contact with him. So he probably got somebody else. I wouldn't be surprised, and I'm not mad either. Like, the lawn is not really my focus right now. I'm gonna still stop on by. This was a Green Pal client, but I stopped doing Green Pal because I just don't like, the fees that come with it. They're charging the customer $45 or $50, and they're only giving me $35, whatever it might be, So, and I get it, they're like the middleman. They get you in front of the customer or the client, so they need their fee. They have that platform. I'm not mad at it. But any hoot, we are going. I think I'm gonna wait. It's like 9 something. It's 9:02. I think I'm gonna wait till 10. Cause the morning dew, you don't want to cut the grass when it's wet or damp. So I think I'm gonna wait a little bit. Wait till 10 to start doing the lawn. It's been pretty sunny out here, Sending positive energy to the people in LA, because right now they have the fires. There's like 5 fires going on. So I hope the fires don't affect no more. I hope the fires can get under control. But it's been, yesterday it was like 70 degrees, what my thermostat said in my truck. It was really nice and toasty outside. But anyways, let's go. Let's get to it. Yeah. All right, so we're back at this property. This is the problem we got going on. If I turn the irrigation shutoff valve on, this will start to leak, and this is the only one that will leak, and it will turn on the sprinklers that are on the far side of this house. So I originally thought it was the solenoid, but it wasn't the solenoid. This is new. I'm going to return this. So I'm just going to replace this whole thing. So I got my sawzall or hacksaw. I'm gonna cut right here, right below the cup link. And hopefully it doesn't cut too short to where, because I know stations have to be at a certain height. I think they have to be like above the sprinklers. So I'm gonna cut it right now. Alright, and I already got this set already. Let's usually put the glue on there. Alright, so what happened with that last job is that, come to find out, there's another solenoid that's bad. And then the actual controller might be bad too, because one of the stations wasn't turning on. I think station 3 wasn't turning on. So I went to the controller box, I switched station 3 with station 2, and then station 2 didn't work. Or the yellow wire for station 3 didn't work. So, and then we changed the solenoid for that one, the one that wasn't working, and it still doesn't work. And I said, okay, so it could be that it's a bad wire, or it could be that it's a bad controller, because it's also a 6-station controller, but only 3 are showing up. And he's like, oh, let's just replace it. I was like, we can replace it if you want to, But for a person like me, I want to figure out why only 3 out of 6 stations are showing up. And there was a wire for station 4, and there's also a station there, but wasn't showing up with the controller. So I told him I'll come back next week and we can figure it out, or he could do it himself. He's pretty handy himself. So, but now we're at my first lawn for the day, and we're gonna check this out. So, pretty long. She said the back is really long. So let's go check that out. So I usually charge her like $60. Yeah, it's pretty long. And there's trash on top of that. Yeah. I remember that hole there. So yeah, this is probably gonna take me an hour. Oh, there's a cat over there. And I think that's my rake. It's been here the whole time. Yep. All right. Let's get started. Start with the front first. Oh, so the front lawn's cut. The back lawn inside is gonna be the challenge because it's so uneven right here. So I'm gonna do as much as I can with the lawnmower. I'm gonna come back and come back over with the weed whacker. I give this fence about 2 months before it goes. I mean, actually, it's hanging on right there, so never mind. It probably already went already. And that tree's holding it up right there. Oof. All right, I think I'm done. Yeah, I didn't want to mess with this anymore because I want to break up more bricks or cement. Looks like they put cement over cement. And back there is a jungle. Yeah, we cut that down a lot. So yeah, we're done for today. Oh no, we're not done for today. We're done here. I got one more job after this. Okay, guys, I'm out of breath. Here's my next salon right here. And then I did hers before. I wonder if I should knock and ask if she wants me to do hers again. But yeah, just this little thing right here, and that right there. So we're inside of the customer's house. I've worked in this house a lot, and now they're putting 2 lights over their kitchen counter. One right there and one over there. They're not the sprinklers, they're just, when they bought the house, they left that option to add lights, so yeah. Oh, my bad, I forgot to get pictures or footage of the final result of the 2 lamps or 2 lights. They're like chandeliers. I messed up on the first one because they have like the chandelier wires where they're like connected together, and then you have to cut it and separate them. Well, I cut one side too thin, so there's exposed wire. So when I put it up there, when I connected to the wires coming from the ceiling, it shorted out the breaker, or tripped the breaker. So I had to put some tape over it so the wire won't be touching anything, and I fixed it. And the second one I did actually came out fine. I actually took my time and cut it down equally down the middle. So we're all done for today. I think I charged them $75 for each chandelier being put up, and then $35 for mowing the lawn. So that's what, $75, $150, $185. And then $185 plus for the lawn I did, I think I'm gonna charge them $120. And then the first job I did is $120. So what was that, around 400? Maybe a little bit short to 400. 120, that's 240. And then this will be 185. Yeah, it's around 400. But yeah, that's what we done on a Friday. We did it. We started like at maybe 9 o'clock, I think, and it's like about to be 3. So about 7 hours. 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. About 6 hours. Not bad. But yeah, gonna enjoy the weekend. Let me know if you guys enjoy these vlogs, or if you guys want to give more info on like anything else, you know, or how to do something. Let me know so I can make different content for you guys. All right, be sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next week.